Welcome to AgriGadget Picks. Leaves pile up fast, turning a tidy yard into a messy chore. Best leaf mulcher options can quickly shred dry leaves into fine mulch, reducing waste and helping your garden beds stay healthy while making seasonal yard cleanup much easier. In this video, we break down the top models worth considering.
Number 1. WORX Compact Leaf Mulcher. The WORX Compact Leaf Mulcher is a practical solution for homeowners who want to simplify yard cleanup during heavy leaf seasons. Powered by a reliable 13-amp motor, this machine can process up to 53 gallons of leaves per minute, making it ideal for quickly handling large piles of yard debris. One of its most impressive features is the 11:1 mulch ratio, which means 11 bags of leaves can be reduced into just one bag of fine mulch. This not only saves time, but also reduces the number of trash bags needed for disposal. Instead of collecting debris in a built-in container, the mulcher conveniently drops shredded material directly into a bag placed underneath. The bladeless Flex-Align mulching system also adds an extra level of safety while still delivering strong cutting performance. Weighing about 20 pounds, the unit feels stable during operation, yet remains light enough to move around the yard without difficulty. Assembly is quick and tool-free, and it can be taken apart just as easily for compact storage. Number 2. GARDENBEAUT Diameter Leaf Mulcher. The GARDENBEAUT Diameter Leaf Mulcher is designed for users who need a powerful machine capable of handling more than just dry leaves. Equipped with a 7 HP horizontal 4-stroke gas engine, this chipper delivers impressive strength for breaking down branches, brush, and yard debris. Its 20:1 reduction ratio significantly decreases the volume of organic waste, turning large piles of leaves into compact, usable mulch for landscaping or composting. The dual feeding hopper system makes the machine especially versatile. Smaller yard waste, such as grass clippings and leaves, can be dropped into the main hopper, while thicker branches, up to 3 inches in diameter, can be fed through the limb chute. With a maximum engine speed of 3,600 RPM and strong torque output, the mulcher works steadily even when dealing with dense debris. It runs on standard unleaded gasoline and features a portable design that makes it suitable for larger yards, gardens, and landscaping tasks where powerful mulching performance is required.
Number 3. GreenSweep Leaf Mulcher. The GreenSweep Leaf Mulcher offers an efficient and safe way to manage garden waste without relying on traditional cutting blades. Instead, it uses durable 10-gauge nylon cutting lines that shred leaves and organic debris quickly while reducing the risk associated with metal blades. Its powerful 15-amp motor operates at up to 9,000 RPM, providing strong performance that allows the machine to process roughly 55 gallons of debris per minute. One of its standout benefits is the 18:1 reduction ratio, which dramatically shrinks the volume of collected leaves, making disposal or composting much easier. Maintenance is also straightforward, since the cutting lines can be replaced quickly without tools, and the package includes additional replacement lines for convenience. The mulcher also features adjustable cutting modes designed to handle different types of yard waste, from wet leaves and grass clippings to dry pine needles. This flexibility makes it a practical tool for gardeners looking to keep lawns and flower beds clean while creating nutrient-rich mulch. Number 4. WORX Trivac Leaf Mulcher. The WORX Trivac Leaf Mulcher stands out as a versatile yard tool that combines 3 essential functions into one compact design. Instead of using separate machines, homeowners can blow, vacuum, and mulch leaves using a single device. The powerful motor produces up to 350 CFM air volume and air speeds reaching 210 miles per hour, allowing it to move and collect debris quickly across lawns, driveways, and patios. Once vacuumed, the 2-stage metal impeller efficiently shreds leaves, reducing 16 bags of debris into a single bag of mulch. This feature helps minimize cleanup time and the need for constant bag changes. Variable speed control allows users to adjust the airflow depending on the task, whether clearing light debris or tackling heavier piles of leaves. The slim tube design also makes it easier to reach corners, tight spaces, and areas under outdoor furniture. With a comfortable shoulder strap collection bag, the Trivac keeps yard maintenance convenient and manageable.
Number 5. MAXLANDER Leaf Mulcher.
The MAXLANDER Leaf Mulcher is designed to help homeowners finish yard cleanup quickly while turning fallen leaves into useful mulch. Powered by a 15-amp motor running at 8,400 RPM, the machine shreds leaves far faster than manual raking and bagging. Large piles of maple, oak, or pine leaves can be processed efficiently, allowing a typical 200-square-foot lawn area to be cleared in only a short amount of time. With an 18-to-1 reduction ratio, bulky piles of leaves are compressed dramatically, meaning far fewer disposal bags are required. The mulcher can process up to 55 gallons of debris per minute, helping prevent clogs even when dealing with slightly damp material. An adjustable control dial allows users to switch between coarse and fine shredding, making it suitable for different types of leaves and yard waste. The included accessory kit, featuring gloves, leaf scoops, goggles, and a spade, adds extra convenience and helps ensure safe and comfortable operation during garden cleanup. That wraps up our picks for the best leaf mulchers to make yard cleanup faster and easier. Each option offers solid performance for turning piles of leaves into useful mulch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to choose the one that fits your yard size, budget, and seasonal needs.